Okay guys, here we are in La Jolla. We finally completed this beautiful job in this beautiful neighborhood. This project came out absolutely stunning. The owner here is also very satisfied. And there used to be some wood panel gates here before. We replaced them with all this aluminum, with all the step down. This included a nice glass door right here with the door bird, and also over here with all the panels, pedestrian gate, some more fencing. Every door, every panel here fit absolutely perfect, and this is like a dream house with the dream fencing with this aluminum product, which came out amazing. Okay, there it is. We also put a mailbox here. Okay, there it is. Thank you. See you next time on the next project.